Hello, this is a short video to help get enrolled into the Evolve Adaptive Quiz program and a little bit further explanation to how we're going to use it. So hopefully you have already enrolled into the Nclex Module 1 course. Of course, you'll have accepted your syllabus agreement and done your student survey. Right before we get to week 1, you will find the link to your adaptive quizzing. So if you haven't made an Evolve account yet and you haven't started this process, there's also a video here. I have heard from many students previously that creating the Evolve account first does make it easier. So I would suggest doing that and then enrolling into the adaptive quizzes. You received an email not long ago that had an access code with it. If you haven't tried it yet, this is where you're going to put it. We'll click on the link. Now, if you have a pop-up blocker, it might prevent it from opening, so you may have to allow it to open. Now, the access code that was emailed, you'll put that in here and then submit. I'm going to pause and switch screens here so you'll see what happens afterwards. Okay, I've now switched to the instructor view so you can have an idea of the assignments that are in here. So your account will look almost the same, a little less features. Obviously you can't export everybody's grade, but you will have home, assignments, and performance on there. To get things started, I went ahead and created 2 assignments, so I'm going to go onto the assignments link. Now we gave an extended due date. Normally you would see your assignments in the up next, but that's when they will be due less than a week away. Right now they're due more than a week away, so I'm going to click on due later, and now you see the 2 chapters that were covered on Tuesday. The date put in there is on the 19th. We'll be adding to it, but right now we just want to make sure everybody's able to get into the program and get started on their quiz assignments. One thing you also see is the mastery level that we're looking for is novice. On the syllabus, it does say level 3. That is an outdated thing. They no longer have the 1, 2, 3. And we'll only ask you to achieve the level of novice. Now, this is an adaptive quiz, which means it looks at how you're doing and gives you more questions accordingly. So it will be in your best interest to make sure you're accurate. The better that you do, the fewer questions that you'll have. So if you keep on making a lot of mistakes and getting answers wrong, it will continue giving you more and more questions. Once you've achieved your novice level, you'll get your full credit. So this is a pass-fail. All you have to do is complete the assignment and you'll have the credit for that chapter. The chapter will stay available to you. You can go beyond novice level if you want for your own educational purposes, but it will not be required of you. For grading purposes, you'll see an Nclex Integration column in the JEGI. All of the chapters that will be in the first half of the module, and your journals, which you'll be learning of shortly, that will equal the first half, the 100 points in Mod 1. So the EAQs will be 75 of those points, and the journals will be 25. So all the chapters that you do for the first half of the module will be totaled up and put in that first column. If anybody has troubles getting into this program, please feel free to send an email out. This is Phil. I am on your syllabus, pwaymeyer@gurnick.edu, and I'll do what I can to assist you. One thing that you do want to do while you're enrolling and using this program, you're the web browser. Internet Explorer does not get along well with this program or most of the Evolve products, so it'd be advisable to use Chrome or Firefox for all your Evolve assignments. Alright, we'll get another video out to you soon for the journals, and good luck.